If you look at what has occurred here, the biggest thing is this is someone that does excessive nighttime grinding, which is also called bruxism. This is something that he cannot prevent. Nighttime grinding is the popular theory is that it's a way of getting oxygen to the brain. So the jaw goes side to side while we sleep, which increases blood flow to the brain, which then takes oxygen to the brain. It results in excessive forces on the teeth, and the dentition gets worn down, as you can see. So how do we fix this? This is what we call a overclosed bite. We need to open the bite up in order to reestablish the correct dimensions of his face, and also to establish proper aesthetics. This is a life-changing treatment for this individual, and we're very fortunate to be able to do this for him. Thanks.